In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust fonts and spacing using the character panel. Whether you're fine-tuning a headline or polishing a paragraph, the first thing you'll do is select your text. Make sure you're working on the text you actually want to change. If you're editing a single word or a few characters, highlight just that portion. If you want to update an entire block of text, select the whole text object. Being precise here ensures that the changes you make only affect what you intend, which saves time and keeps your design consistent. Next, open the character panel, go to the window menu at the top of your screen, navigate to type, and choose character. If the panel is already open but you don't see it, it might be docked with other panels. Look for the tab labeled character and bring it to the front. Keeping this panel visible while you work is a great habit because it centralizes your key typography controls in one place. With the character panel open and your text selected, you can now adjust the look and feel. Start with the font family to set the overall voice. Serif for classic and formal, sans serif for clean and modern, or a specialty typeface if your project calls for it. Right next to that, the font style lets you choose weights like regular, medium, or bold. Use these intentionally to create hierarchy without overcomplicating the design. Set your font size to establish scale. Larger sizes draw attention, while smaller sizes should remain readable. Always consider how your design will be viewed, on screen, in print, or at different zoom levels. If your text spans multiple lines, look at leading, which is the space between lines. Increasing leading adds openness and readability. Decreasing it can tighten a layout but may reduce legibility if overdone. For spacing between characters, you have two controls. Tracking adjusts the overall letter spacing across a selection, which is useful for headlines or to create a more airy feel. Kerning adjusts the space between specific pairs of letters, helping fix awkward gaps or collisions in tighter settings. A little goes a long way. Subtle tweaks often make the biggest difference. As you make changes, keep an eye on how all these settings interact. A change in size may call for a small tweak to leading. A heavier weight might benefit from slightly increased tracking. If you're unsure, compare before and after by toggling your selections and reviewing the overall rhythm. That's it. Select your text, open the character panel, and refine font size and spacing right there.